Jason. I'm going to show you today how to clean stainless steel appliances without any special sprays or anything like that. All you're going to need is a microfiber cloth, some water, and some dish soap. So I've got this wet already. If you can tell, I kind of got this corner right here wet. And then I'm going to put some soap just on one side of what's wet. It doesn't take much. I'm just going to put a little drop of dish soap there and then kind of rub it in a little bit. So there's 3 steps. The first step is we're going to use the soap side and make sure you keep track of which side is which. And we're just going to go over the whole surface. It's going to get a little bit bubbly. And then I'm going to turn it around and use the wet non-soap side to wipe off those bubbles. And then I'm going to use the dry bottom of the towel to get all the water off so it doesn't leave water spots. So starting with this corner with the soap on it. Okay, now I'm going to turn this around and use just the water side. And then I'm going to use just the dry part of the towel to dry any remaining water off.